Dear viewers, Glowing Star, have you ever wondered how some TikTok accounts grow so fast and start earning money while others struggle? Thinking face if you're looking to build a successful TikTok account and want to turn it into a business. You're in the right place. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to switch your TikTok account to a business account, maximize its potential, and ultimately monetize it. So, stay with me till the end. Direct hit before we dive in. I have a small request for you. If you enjoy informative content like this, make sure to like this video, thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel, Trend AI Today. Loudspeaker, your support keeps us motivated to bring you the best content. Lightbulb, why create a business account on TikTok? First, let's understand why having a business account on TikTok is a great idea. Business accounts come with multiple benefits, such as white heavy checkmark, better audience insights, bar chart, white heavy checkmark, access to promotional tools, chart increasing, white heavy checkmark, the ability to add links to your bio link, white heavy checkmark, increased visibility for your content, eyes, white heavy checkmark, a path towards monetization, money bags. So, if you want to make the most out of TikTok, switching to a business account is a smart move. Rocket step 1. Create a fresh account if you're planning to use TikTok for business. It's always a good idea to start with a fresh account. Why? Because it helps you avoid any past restrictions, engagement drops, or shadow bans. You can create a USA-based account, a Pakistani account, or any other country-based account depending on your preference. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Step 2. Switch to a business account. Once your account is set up, follow these simple steps to convert it into a business account. 1. Open TikTok and log in to your account. Tap on the 3 lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy. 4. Click on Account. 5. Choose Switch to Business Account. 6. A screen will appear explaining the benefits of a business account. Click Next, right arrow, and then Next again. Now you will see multiple categories like entertainment, education, personal blog, fashion, technology, etc. Choose the one that best fits your content. If you create informative or educational videos, select education just like I did. But if you make funny videos, vlogs, or lifestyle content, choose the relevant category accordingly. Choosing the right category helps TikTok suggest your content to the right audience. Step 3. Completing the setup. After selecting your category, follow these next steps. Click on Next. If TikTok asks for an email, you can skip this step or add your email for better security. Click on Create Now. A pop-up will appear asking for permission. Click Allow. Congratulations! You have successfully switched to a business account. Step 4. Start uploading content. Now that you have a business account, you need to start uploading videos. Business accounts often get more reach, so make sure to take advantage of this. Here are some tips to grow your account quickly. Post high-quality videos regularly. Use trending sounds and hashtags. Viral hashtag TikTok growth. Pushpin. Engage with your audience by replying to comments. Speech balloon. Pushpin. Share your videos on other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Mobile phone with arrow. Pushpin. Analyze your insights to see what's working and improve your strategy. Bar chart. Step 5. Eligibility for monetization. You might be wondering, when can I start making money? Money mouth face. Well, to be eligible for monetization, you need to meet certain criteria. Heavy checkmark, 10,000 followers, busts in silhouette. Heavy checkmark, 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Eyes. Heavy checkmark, follow TikTok's community guidelines. White heavy checkmark. Until you reach these milestones, keep your business account active and focus on growing your audience. Step 6. Switching back to a personal account for monetization. Once you have met TikTok's monetization criteria, you need to switch back to a personal account to apply for monetization. Here's how. 1. Click on the 3 lines at the top right corner. 2. Go to Settings and Privacy. 3. Select Account. 4. Choose Switch to Personal Account. 5. Click Switch Anyway. White heavy checkmark. Now, your account is back to a personal account, and you can apply for monetization. Trophy, the 18+ badge, and monetization. You may notice a 18+ badge on your account. This is important for content that is eligible for monetization. Once you get 2 such badges, you can apply for TikTok's monetization program and start earning from your content. Dollar banknotes. So, that's how you switch to a business account, grow your audience, and get monetized on TikTok. Rocket. If you follow these steps properly, you can maximize your reach, build a strong brand, and start making money from your content. Moneybag. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, red heart, share it with your friends, loudspeaker, and subscribe to our channel Trend AI Today bell so you never miss an update. Rocket, see you in the next video.